I'm Barney the Blacksmith. I'm from North Bay, Ontario. I'm 56 this year. I'm the only blacksmith up here that does this kind of stuff I do. There's lots of horsey people up here, but I'm not one of them. I've done 3 heritage festivals, 4 or 5 Mattawas. I've done 16 years at the Martin River. I had 4 forges and 5 anvils at the time. It's my heating device for cooking the metal. Mine's about 3 feet wide, about 4.5 feet long, and it's made out of 1/2-inch cast iron. I'm about the only one up here that does this stuff. Made my living with it for about 5 years after I got out of the service. You're never certified, you're always learning. I'm more of a journeyman's blacksmith. I'm halfway up the channel. An anvil's good. If you don't have an anvil, you can use a piece of railroad track or a piece off of a forklift or fork tines. Any heavy metal will do. Blacksmithing will be around forever. Some stuff the machines can't make. Just can't make. Some of the creativity is a lot of it.